Kahati na nga ba ni Lovie Poe sa puso ni Fabio Ide? Kamakailan ay inamin ng Brazilian-Japanese actor and host na may pagtingin ito para kay Lovie Poe.
I like Lovie Poe, maganda siya, mabait, maganda, matalino.
Wow. Cool. Talaga, hindi naman ako maka-respond because I didn't hear it from him. Yeah, of course. We all know he's good looking and he's nice, gentleman.
Ngunit lumabas din sa mga pahayagan ng balibalitang hindi naman daw ang morenang aktres si Lovie Poe ang tunay na nakapukaw ng atensyon ni Fabio, kundi ang mestisang si Rufa Mae Quinto. At nung Lunes, namataan ang Showbiz Central host na dumalaw sa set ng Tweetbiz, kung saan host naman si Fabio.
Lahat kayo, binisweet ako kasi nag-taping ng kami dyan.
This year lang naging single si Fabio matapos ang hiwalay nila ng 2006 Binibining Pilipinas Universe na si Leah Andrea Ramos. Ngayong ilang buwan na rin ang lumipas, handa na kaya si Fabio upang muling buksan ang kanyang puso? Sino nga ba ang mas tipo ng tinitili ang Brapanese hunk? Aaminin na ni Fabio, live na live sa Showbiz Central.
Paaminin natin siya ngayong hapon. Kasama ko na po si Fabio Ide.
Hello, good afternoon, magandang hapon.
So, okay, let's start with this. Ano ba
Okay.
talaga ang tipo mong babae? Dahil ang nababalita sa yung babae, magkaibang itsura. Isang morena at isang saksaka ng tisay. So, once and for all, to break some hearts, tell them, ano ba talaga yung type mo?
No, like since I was like a teenager, I really like morena. Pero syempre, I never judge the person per her color or anything like that. I really like to know the person, kung mabait, kung matalino, kung nakakatawa, diba, down to earth. So usually these are the qualities I like in a woman.
These are all qualities that can be found in Rufa Mae Quinto. Pero ang gusto ko munang malaman, na nachichismis ka kasi na kinokort mo daw si Lovie Poe. What's that all about?
Well, everything started like when they asked me about Lovie Poe. Kasi I really admire Lovie Poe. I really do admire her kasi magaling siya na artista, sobrang maganda siya, sobrang matalino. Pero hindi ko po siya nililigawan, diba? Like I really respect Lovie Poe and respect her private life. She has been through a lot and now she's doing so well. She's so focused in her work, diba? She really deserved the success. Pero I also want to apologize to her kasi her name got dragged in this whole thing. Pero I really respect her, pero it's not, hindi totoo, hindi ko po siya nililigawan, ganon. It's just an admiration as a person, kasi she should be admired, so, yeah.
So if it's not Lovie, then it must be Rufa Mae?
No, kasi nobody knows, pero alam ko si Rufa Mae for more than 2 years. Pero ngayon, kasi meron kaming trabaho sa Dorfina makasama, di ba? So I think it's natural, it's natural to you to get to know the person more, diba? Para mas maging, how can I say? Para mas maging komportable kami sa trabaho, diba? So really, masaya siyang trabaho, sobrang mabait.
So anong ginagawa ni Rufa Mae dun sa set ng Tweetbiz that day? She was there to visit you.
Oo naman, pero not just me. Kasi
Come on.
that was, well, no, kasi that was one day before we start taping for Dorfina. And sabi ko sa kanya, I have my script here, pero I don't know if it's week 12 or week 13. And her studio is just in front kasi she was taping for Bubble Gun every Monday. So she went there to help me with the script, tsaka to say hello to Timmy Up, to the rest of the staffs at Tweetbiz. So she didn't go there, just like, oh, Fabio.
Akala ko pa naman si Rufa Mae na yung personal Tagalog tutor mo. Kaya gumagaling na yung Tagalog ni Fabio.
Oh, maraming salamat. Thanks to my teacher, si Wena, yung tutor ko.
But between the two of them, sino ang mas type mo?
Like
Yung laughing.
no, it's not a type. Like I really like both of them. They have a different personalities. They're both really maganda, sobrang maganda sila. Pero at that moment, I really plan to remain single kasi as I told you kanina, diba, I just came from a really long relationship. Me and my ex-girlfriend were together for 4 years. So, syempre, it's not easy for you to move on like that fast, you know. So, right now I'm really focused in my work. Mas marami akong oras para mag-focus sa trabaho ko. So, I'm really happy the way I am now. Pero I really respect them. I really like them. They're both maganda, nakakatawa, mabait, really amazing women.
But you're just not ready for love yet.
No, I'm not ready yet.
Not after your breakup.
No, not yet. I'm really focused in my work now po, like super focused and determined to become a better actor, to move on as well, pero hindi pa.
But you know, our sources insist, Fabio, na sweet daw kayo sa set ng Dwarfina ni Peachy.
No, no, kasi it's normal. Like see Peachy, she's super fun. She's an amazing woman. Like to hang out with. She's super funny. She's fun. You know, like she's really a nice woman, and she's such an amazing actress as well. Comediante siya, diba? So, syempre, I'm a little bit comedian too. So, like, we always gonna have fun. We laugh a lot, and she helped me with the Tagalog, with my script. So, pero hindi sweet. Like, medyo konti malicia, pero walang malicia. We are just friends.
May konti lang.
May konti lang hindi siya.
At least umamin ka. Wait, I would like to know what this amazing woman has to say about the things you've been saying. Nasa linya po ng aming telepono si Miss Rufa May Quinto. Hi, Peach!
Hello there. Hello there.
Hello! We miss
Hello,
you here.
Peach.
And Miss Pia, welcome back.
Welcome back. O, kamusta naman ang mga kaganapan dyan sa
Hi
Lawag?
Fabio, hi Fabio, you're there pala. Hello.
Hello, Peachy. You're not here to help me out.
Peach, kamusta naman ang shooting mo dyan sa Lawag?
Ito, mainit. Nasa Desierto kami.
Aha. But
yun.
things are
Pero
going
okay
well
naman.
naman sa shooting ninyo.
Of course naman. Kompleto na kami.
Wait, I don't know,
Pero
Peach, if you've been
hard.
hearing kung ano mga sinasabi ni Fabio tungkol sa'yo, but they're all praises. You're such an amazing woman daw, a fantastic actress, you're so funny, and
Thank
super
you.
sweet. Ano masasabi mo doon?
Thank you. At saka, hello to you. Welcome to Showbiz.
Ano bang ginawa mo dito sa lalaking to? At do you know how many people would want to be described that way by Fabio Ide?
Talaga. Wala, yun lang. Smile lang. Sorry.
I told you she's so
Hindi, ano
fun.
ba yan? Ah?
Oh, ano ba? Kayo ba yung mag-aaway ni Lovie for Fabio or what?
Hindi, no. Magkasama nga kami dito, no. Ni Lovie po. Tapos, wala, natatawa lang kami. Kasi
Ano ba
parang
talagang namamagitan sa inyo ni Fabio, girl? Sabihin mo na.
namamagitan talaga eh. Si Lovie, tsari. Hindi. Wala namang namamagitan kasi magkatrabaho kami, saka magkaibigan kami. So, yun ang namamagitan.
But
For-
could something
for now.
possibly
For now.
happen, Peach? In the future, kapag ready na si Fabio ang umibig ulit?
Ganun ba ang sabi niya?
Bakit sa'yo sabi niya ready na siya?
Hindi niya sinabi. Parehas lang naman kami. So, I think that's why okay kaming friends right now because we just got out from a very, very long relationship
Aba.
na serious. So, right now, relax lang kami, yung excited kami to work. Parang ganun, nandun kami sa ganong level.
Okay. Bakit ka naman nasa level na dumadalaw ka sa set niya?
Kasi nung una, siya yung pumunta sa Bubble Gang. Tapos, hindi, with the Sweet Bees. So, nandun lang, kasi kumbaga nandun lang sila sa kabilang studio. Sabay-sabay lang. Minsan, di ba, ang Bubble Gang, may gap na wala kang ginagawa, ganyan. So, since nandun, parang hello lang. Tapos, walang, hindi ko rin alam kung ginagawa ko. Basta nag-hello lang ako, tapos nanood ako ng Tweet Beat.
Oo nga,
Kasi
hindi
sila
naman-
Loli, sila...
Hindi naman masamang mangapit bahay, no? In between takes.
Oo, tsaka kung dun nga ako sa gitna ng studio at nanood pa ako.
Yeah, okay. Malinaw na malinaw, Peach. But once something actually develops, ha, dapat balitaan mo kami, ha?
Uy, ikaw, Pia, kamusta ka naman?
Mabuti naman ako.
Nababasa ko sa tweet, ha? Mga tweet.
O sige na, mag-shooting ka na nga, girl.
Congrats to us.
Back to work.
Good luck, Peach.
Okay.
Bye,
thanks,
Peachy.
Fabio.
We'll
Stay
see you next
nice.
Sunday.
And you're amazing also, Fabio.
Oh, maraming salamat.
All right. Ayan.
Yes.
You got
Diba? I
cleared.
told you. Yeah.
You were telling the truth this whole
Yes, I
time.
don't have any reason to lie.
Well, Fabio, thank you so much for
Thank you,
sharing us
guys.
your thoughts this afternoon.
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
And I know you have a ton of shows to plug, so go right ahead.
Well, I'd like to plug Comedy Bar syempre. Manood po kayo ng Comedy Bar tuwing Sábado pagkatapos ng Investigador. Tsaka now, meron akong bagong show si Andres Isaya starting next month with Isa Calçado tsaka Cesar Montano. Si Tweet Beast, araw-araw sa GMA TV News, 7:10 p.m. with Replays in the morning. And now I just start doing Dorfina, taping for Dorfina. It's the last 2 weeks. So please, manood po kayo. Sobrang nakakatawa.
Good job. I like your
Maraming
Tagalog,
salamat.
Fabio.
It's getting better.
Getting better every
yes,
day.
I have to practice some more, pero I'm getting there.
Thank you, Fabio, and good
Thank
luck
you,
with all
guys.
your shows.
Thank
Samantala,
you.
sa pagbabalik po ng Showbiz Central, we will hear from mom and dad to be Ogie Alcacid and Regine Velasquez. We'll be right back.
Thank you.
Tutukan ang kumpirmadong pagbubuntis si Regine Velasquez. Detalyadong ilalahad ni Ogie Alcacid. Ang sagot ni Robin Padilla. Susunod na.